So I bought this bike for winter, so there would be no off season, so I could ride all year round. And I always wanted to try driving in snow. I always watch those videos with enduro guys riding in snow in perfect weather and so on. So I hope to try it this year, but there is no snow at the moment and we need to go through technical inspection. What I also got with the bike was these studded tires. I mean, I don't know if I need them. I never tried riding on snow actually, so we will see. At least I have these. The person who sold me the bike also gave me these, so these are very old, but hey, it's free, so it's great. I failed the technical inspection. I need to fix my light, and also I have only one mirror, and I was thinking that it's okay, but it's not, obviously, so I bought this one very cheap. I will remove it as soon as I will go through the technical inspection. So yeah, let's get this onto the bike and try again.